Welcome to J&J's test video of 9644. This is a 2004 C5 Corvette, magnesium wheels, smacked on that side, but okay on this side. I think this one's actually missing a chip back here. Oh no, that one's okay, the other one's bad. Smacked in the back, has a custom interior in it, some engine covers. Yeah, that's the one that's swapped up pretty bad. Pretty engine bay, some Samco hoses, 102,000 miles. Oh, the door ajar. All the Corvette warnings. 102,287. Runs good, holds oil pressure, climate control works. Show you the headlights, see if either one of those works. Yeah, that one works, that one's trying. Show you the wipers. Switch works. What else? Driver's side mirror looks good. That's a rare option nowadays. Working. Passenger works as well. Oh, that window don't work when the door is missing. Alright, let's go driving around real quick. Ooh, it's hot in here. Oh, I don't do anything. Active handling car. It's got this tan, and somebody did the sun visors, and the seats are all done up. Everything works. This window rolls up. Oh yeah, that window rolls up. Everything moves around. Alright, I'm gonna drive back up there so I can put the crash wrap on it. Woo. I love driving cars with wheels that aren't connected. Alright. That is that. I'm gonna back it back up. Alright. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.